People with a lot of money, unconnected to the project in any way, buy coins or tokens when the price is low. They pay media and influencers to create hype and thus attract new investors. When the price increases, these whales sell everything they have and switch to another coin or token. The price drops drastically after their sell. The project was misused to take money from retail investors, but it continues to live and be developed by the project team. On the other hand, scam pump and dump. The creators of a project, after giving free tokens, this is mostly about tokens now, to themselves, their families, and after letting their friends buy the token first, pay media and influencers to create hype. When investors come in and raise the price, all the mentioned people sell and the creators leave the project. Sometimes the retail investors are aware that they have fallen into a complete scam, they accept the loss of money and the project is immediately dead forever. But sometimes retail investors don't want to believe they have been scammed, so some new people try to save the project by continuing to talk about it to attract new investors. In the latter case, it usually happens that the project dies slowly.
They put you in jail.